Hey lovelies, welcome back to another video. If this is your first time, you're welcome to the channel. So guys, in this video, remember in my last visit at the salon, I was unable to get the coils I wanted. So in this video, I'm going to be achieving heatless coils with bantu knots. Honestly, it's been long I did bantu knot. Like the last time I did bantu knot is like 3 years ago, and since then I've not done it. And this bantu knot actually fits me a lot. But yeah, but in this video, it's not like I'll be doing bantu knot, but I just want to achieve my coils using the bantu knot. So my application is with my leave-in conditioner. I apply it and I section it, and then I twist it and wrap it round the hair. So if you want to secure it with a rubber band, you can secure it with a rubber band, but I did not secure mine with a rubber band because I'm going to be taking it down, because it's not like I'm carrying the bantu knot for a long period of time. So yeah, this is just to achieve the coils. So I did not use any rubber band to secure the bantu knot. So in order to achieve this coils, you need to take note, because the section you part also matters a lot for your coils to come out really nice. If the pattern is too big, it might not give you the kind of coils you want, because even myself, anyways, by the end of the video you're going to see the result, if it is a thumbs up or it is a thumbs down. Yeah, so this is just basically what I'll do to every part of the hair. And if you've gotten to this part of the video, you're yet to subscribe, please do well to subscribe, give the video a big thumbs up if you like it, and drop a beautiful comment down below for me. And yeah, you can also share to anyone that will be interested in content like this. If you also have questions for me, leave it in the comment section and I'll do well to respond to your question. Okay, so yeah, there's this particular comment that I saw, I think in one of my posts, that the lady was saying that we just post videos on how healthy our hair is, but we don't respond to comments, give we don't respond to people's comments, and I don't give, like she's just generalizing it, that most of the people that post their healthy hair, they don't give out the actual detail of how they grow their hair, and they don't respond to comments, and even chat, they don't respond to chat. Yeah, blah 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 blah. And then I'm like, with the amount of people that I watch on YouTube, and I go to the comment section to comment, and I see how these people take their time to respond to comments. So baby girl, what are you saying? Like, what are you saying? No, I don't know what you're saying. I don't know. Of course, there are some people that don't respond to comments probably on time, because they still end up responding to that comment. I remember there's one, I just saw a notification and then I saw it and I'm like, yo guys, I actually commented on this lady's video, and that's like 1 year ago. And the lady recently, like this year, she recently responded to the comment, and then I'm like, yo, after 1 year, now you just dey respond to my comment. But anyways, the whole point of this is that sometimes, they are busy with their own life daily activities, and content creating, YouTube is not the only thing they do in this life. They also have other things they do apart from content creating and YouTube. That's why most of them take their time to respond to comments, and share their other social media accounts where you can also reach them in case they don't respond to your comments on time. On YouTube, they can actually respond if you go to their other social media account like Instagram, TikTok, and other social media account where you can actually chat with them. So please take note of this. If you are one of those that think that, oh, these people, they know they share the truth, they know they do this, they know they respond to chat. Well, I don't know, but for me now, personally, I respond to chat and I respond to comments, especially chat that is related to questions on hair. I respond to it too, because normally I know they too respond to chat, especially you see that Facebook one. I don't do Facebook one. I don't even you see that chat, I don't even go near the chat. I just go there to upload videos and disappear, upload picture and disappear, even Instagram as well. So but when I see chat that is related to hair question, I respond to it. Okay, so I can only speak for myself, but Yeah, I respond to comments and I respond to chat that is related to questions on hair, okay, and any other important thing. So remember, these people too, they are humans like you. They have a whole lot they do aside from being a content creator. So please don't be angry and don't be sad. And yeah, I also checked if the person has been commenting on my videos that I don't reply, and then I realized that that is the first time the person is commenting on my videos. So baby girl. So guys, this is the final result. So I actually left the bantu knot. I did it a day, and then the next day I took it down, as you can see from the video, and you saw the little shaded hair that came out after the whole process. And you can see from my face, I'm already squeezing my face like, waiting be this, like, what is this? I don't want to say, like, hope this is not another failed coils again, because yo, that's why I said that the size of the pattern you do also matters a lot for the coils to come out really well. You see this one, I was like, oh, this one is giving me joy. Like, you see how the coils come out now, like yeah. So but anyways, this is how it is going. And yeah, I just took down everything, and then I combed it out of the camera, and this is what it is looking like. What do you guys think? Is this a thumbs up for you or a thumbs down for you? Let me know in the comment section below. And so guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, give it a big thumbs up, and if you're yet to subscribe, please do well to subscribe and leave a beautiful comment down below. What do you think about this? Will you try this bantu knot coils? Let me know in the comment section. And yeah, don't forget to share the video to anyone that will be interested in content like this. Okay, I'm gonna be rocking this, but I'm very sure these coils will not last long. Okay, but yeah, it came out nice for me. It's a thumbs up for me, Sha. Yeah, it's a thumbs up for me, even though it will last for a very long time. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. For now, bye bye.